Hey everybody, good afternoon. Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So the 1960 coupe is due to arrive here in a few minutes. I'll be out here filming it to give you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like before I start to clean it up. We have horrible wind today. As you guys probably know, Southern California has been plagued with wildfires and winds for the last few weeks. So lots of prayers for everybody in LA, and just so sorry for what everybody's gone through. But yeah, thank you guys for always tuning into the channel. So I'll be back with you here in a few minutes when the car actually arrives. Bye guys. Okay everybody, so here's the first look at it. Still have the original motor intact and in the car. And as you guys can see, very rare original silver color right there. They didn't make a whole lot of cars in this color. So paint code 14, platinum gray. The window washer bottle is intact, so that's a rare piece right there. And to have it not be cracked or damaged, that's really good. Got our VIN number right down there, and it is a J code car, so it's a Coupe de Ville and not a Series 62. So that also makes it a little more highly optioned, better interior package, things like that. Got a lot of cleanup to do, but it's all here. Decent condition, got a little hole there in the floor, not bad at all. And then the other rear floor pan on that side over there, which I'll show you guys in more detail at a later time. That one does need replaced. A lot of dust, but it should clean up fairly well. And like I said, at least you have all the parts to use to start restoring. Does need a back window. Caddy Daddy has those. Super easy to replace. I'll show you guys the trunk here. Like I said, there's that beautiful silver color that I love. You can kind of see some of the original paint under there. Got some extra parts back here. Not extra parts, but just parts that are not on the car at this time. Bumper looks decent. It just needs to be cleaned really, really dirty. Obviously my specialty, cleaning up cars, so we'll get to this here in a couple days. But yeah, there's the first look at it. Thank you guys for being a part of the video and always supporting the channel. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys later.